Top news headlines. Floods, drought sign of global warming affecting Manipur, says Speaker Khemchand. Stranded Sen transporters appeal for early solution. Protest rally held against sale and abuse of illicit drugs. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Participating in the state-level grand finale of 64th Wildlife Week celebration at the Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium Palace compound today, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand appealed to the public to stop felling of trees and practice of deforestation. The speaker sought cooperation from the masses in tackling the problem. He said the government alone cannot tackle the menace. Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam, Additional Chief Secretary Suhail Akhtar, DGP of Manipur Police L.M. Kaute, former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University HTOMB, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest P. Angami and Principal Chief Conservator of Forest D.J.N. Anand attended the program. Speaker Y. Khemchand went on to say that the state had witnessed flood 3 times last year and this year it has faced drought, indicating that the state has also been affected by global warming. He underscored the need for the youth to be aware of the situation.
Global warming, climate change, hybrid simple puraga, wait, Tabo in a Pangok Labor to minus over, Sarkar the right to pay away, Messiah Guimaki, very responsibility in the Hajaraganda, Sata Satish in the Zoom, Manipur Ladiva, NGO Sing, Club Sing, Organization, Kudim Magna, Massi, Achoba, Wapa in the Kalaganda, I gave you the Handranda, I gave you the zoo, what is Sabio.
Forest officials and students were also present at the program. Taking part in the event, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam said that we all must try to understand the impact of deforestation and benefits of forest conservation. He expressed unhappiness that despite knowing the adverse effect of deforestation, the practice is on the rise.
Matamdu natre maramdi halaman sing harul sing the pibu imota tungi horena sha sing sida sumbagi wakalon si the pig no honabasima forest department bo asuki mati tobimal adi thaga propongo chari.
Later, NGOs and individuals who are working towards conservation of forests and wildlife were presented with cash awards during the program, where prizes were also distributed to the winners of photography, quiz, debate and slogan competitions. Tata tipper drivers and handyman numbering 17 now stranded on Infalmore Road near Kudeng Thabi, Assam Rifle checkpost have been facing hardships. For the last 8 days, they have remained stuck there along with sand-loaded trucks. The Assam Rifles has refused permission to the vehicles to proceed after imposing a restriction on transportation of sand and neighboring Myanmar. Representatives of all tribal sand and stone lever association, Mori and Golden Tipper Owners Welfare Association have extended help to the stranded drivers and handymen. Ingo, one of the drivers, explained about the inconveniences and hardships being faced by them since September 30. He also appealed to the state government to look into the matter and solve it as soon as possible. Notably, the Old Tribal Sand and Stone Lever Association, Mori, yesterday temporarily lifted an indefinite economic blockade imposed along Infalmore Road following talks with government representatives. The association called the economic blockade to pressurize the state government to fulfill their demands.
Kangu sigi yenga diver singi yenga ga kitangi yenga ningi akoina akoi su laiba kuira abanina akoi su yumda thongningai sida laiba hari si akoi gi khongambam khulambam laiba nate masida nakan we ta tari si khunni masida koi khongam khulam chatpada yamna natai jadaba matang su yaurei akoida adu kitang sarkar ke mai dagi yasinaba ma pura aga driver ke mai dagi kitang yasinaba pura aga akoi si kitang thuna moi tauriba kangu siga akoi ga pau phauna raga akoi si kitang thuna thadukna ba akoi atu khangan jang.
Manipur Friendship Organization and Yumkhaibam Athletics Development Association organized a protest rally against sale and abuse of illicit drugs in Khetrigao area of Imphal East. The protest was held under the Manipur government's initiative War Against Drugs. The rally was organized on the theme Save Our Generation. The demonstration kicked off from Khetrigao Junior School ground and marched through Ayangpali Road before reaching Porompa DC Road. Khetrigao MLA N. Indrajit, Superintendent of Police, Imphal East Jogesh Chandra Howizam, cyclist Rohan Philem, General Secretary of YADA, Aribam Ajit, students and residents of Khetrigao took part in the rally. Speaking on the sidelines of the demonstration, Khetrigao MLA N. Indrajit lauded the initiative. MLA appreciated the stand of the residents against drugs. Indrajit urged the public members to take up such initiative in the future too.
Drug lom the mai onsen laga koi ano bos sakajina drug si muthan na kan na hona birakpa hona bar sem na hona birakpa ki matungina ai ki Khetrigao kendra si ngasi mas le rima mayam na sinbi bazida mayam pulamana Khetrigao kendra ki praja mayam su chhatra chhatri pulamang na thawa yauna changna yaubi ba ubazida adugi matik mai pakpa mo oiragani sungchoi choidana drug se Khetrigao kendra iramdam sidigi ju muthat pagalona na topa jaga jaga da ju drug se maru phangna muthat pai ba se akoi ki pandam ne ba si aina ngasi appeal tawjari
Laiba Imphal East ki Khetrigao area sidagi akoina drugs maru phungna pura muthatpa ngamani habse masi ahanba changjal laiba sina masina soidana akhoi ngamagani habagi thajabase sina awonbam poropagi kanose image ma akoina uba ngame habse masai mayam simtang thamjadingi masiga loilona Imphal East ki district atai area da su akhoi sigumba rally kam chachagini aduga drug ki awareness ase yumdong khuding yauna masi yonba masung chaba punamakse karam mongda kamai tor muthatsage lokthokadage habdugi akhoi kanna district police amachung praja myam se samnaraga sangsan myam club myam samnaraga akhoi makha tana mathang torkhini habisi masimdasu mayam da haijiringi.
A protest rally was taken at Langol Limanai today against service extension of G. Robindra Sharma as the OSD in the Water Resources Department. The rally was organized by Jeliarong Human Rights Protection Forum and village chiefs of Maphodam affected area and Imphal East Laumilu. The demonstrator demanded immediate withdrawal of the cabinet decision to re-engage Sharma. President of Jeliarong Human Rights Protection Forum, Robert Gonmai, condemned the move of the Manipur government re-engaging Sharma, a retired employee. He said that defying the court orders by the state government is quite unfortunate. Robert threatened that if the government continues to disobey the court's order, the forum will approach the Prime Minister and Home Minister for necessary action.
Government Manipur government sina engineer in chief by the maming at holaga amuk handin hapsim se asi mahak lokthok tri pause mathang democratic form of action akan ba se akoina khongjang se chathakini.
Security forces arrested an active and overground worker of the Bain RPF PLA at Andro of Imphal East, a police report said today. He has been identified as Kunumayum Indrakumar Singh, as 32 years, son of KH Khemavando Singh of Andro Chingol Lekai, presently staying at Andro Maringthel under Andro Police Station, Imphal East. Upon receiving an information regarding the presence of some active overground members of RPF-PLA outfit at Andro area, a combined team of 6 Assam Rifles and Commando Imphal East, led by Officer in Charge Commando Imphal East, Y. Satish Sen Singh, under the supervision of T.H. Krishna Tombi Singh, Additional Superintendent Operation Imphal East Rush, to Andro Maringthel area and conducted a frisking and checking at the suspected houses, during which he was arrested. During his detention, Indra Kumar Singh revealed that he has been working under Mamo Singh of RPF-PLA as an overground member since July 2019. He was later handed over to Andro Police Station for further necessary legal action. Now time for a short commercial break, but coming up, Right to Information Act empowers the citizens, promotes transparency and accountability. Do stay tuned.
India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India FAME 2 certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangni Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur, or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87-877-23780.
Nupi ekhoi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi ekhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Welcome back. Chairman of Manipur State Planning Board, S. Rajan, said that the Right to Information Act empowers the citizens, promotes transparency and accountability in the working of government, besides containing corruption. Implementing of this act has trimmed down corruption level, he said. Rajan was speaking during a week-long state-level workshop held at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong today. The workshop is being organized by Manipur Information Commission under the aegis of Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India, New Delhi.
Prajada Gyan Tahan Bagi Prajaga Kangmin Bagi Sigumba, Program Mayam, Expert Mayam Tamaga Taurise, Machina Takudi Ekoi, Information Commission Lingiba, Sigumba Manipur State Information Commission Lase, Eko Yamna Sengna, Eka Sigi Makada, Praja Miamga, Punna Chaminaraga Prajagi, Apamba Mayam Singado, Kangan Naba Honabada, Information Commission Yamna, Chauba, Kangan Nimba Yamna, Eko Tamoy Sengna. Ekoi Prajada Egasibu Kangan Ningi Hibasidi Ekoi Information Commission Gi Tabak Puriba, Mayam Singsina, Nasi week ama celebration Toraga, expert Singdagi awareness PN Bagi program Masina, Mayaklana Ta and Rayak Tamjaningi.
Resource person Dr. C.H. Narendra spoke on RTI Act 2005 while State Information Commissioner Dr. S. Ibomcha talked on the role of state public information officers. Later, importance of RTI Act was discussed with RTI applicants during the workshop. A one-day free Ayush health camp was held today at Ngarumphung under Senapati district in connection with the public health outreach activity of National Ayush Mission. The camp was organized by Directorate of Ayush, Lamphilpat in collaboration with State Ayush Society, Manipur. A team of Ayush doctors comprising of Dr. P. Iboton, Dr. Koli Arine Rut and Dr. L. Suresh Sharma, along with paramedical and supporting staff, examined around 200 patients during the camp and distributed free medicine to them. Northeast General Secretary of Republic Party of India A and party's Manipur Unit President T.H. Mahas today extended monetary assistance to Pognafam staff, reporter Oina Mission. Mahas visited the scribes' residence and wished for a speedy recovery. Mission got injured following a road accident recently.
Aina sumaina pau ma taza matam da hui sumaina koi press na ma sumaina tawre khotle na hai matam da aina sum aduna aina ngamjaba kharadan laga ina tawjabani taseng yam tuna na pharsanu aduga mayam na su akoi gi press na sing se sigi mai ayuk dang khai da wari ba mayam sigi mayam na respect se koi kai hai doino doctors day adu le day le aduna koina press ki su yam na chauba thawda ma le hai ba se khangan biraga koi gi moi gi su moi gi numit ama su yam tuna jahi am da 365 days da pangthok na ba tawse haraga MSC site thamjari.
The Indian Army is preparing to deploy its new M777 ultralight howitzers in eastern Arunachal Pradesh for accurate artillery fire support in the mountainous terrain that could prove to be a game changer in the sector. Two officers familiar with the move told HT. The 155 mm 39 caliber howitzers, which can be sling loaded to helicopters and swiftly deployed to high altitude areas, are likely to be inducted by the year's end, the first officer said. India ordered 145 howitzers from the United States for $750 million in November 2016. The M777 will be a game changer in the eastern sector, according to media reports. The highly portable guns can be swiftly deployed and redeployed for missions during the Boeing CH-47F1 Chinook helicopters. The howitzers will be a part of light artillery regiments, the second officer said. The howitzers have a range of 24 to 30 kilometers. Another short commercial break, but after the break, Chinese President Xi Jinping likely to visit India. More updates.
Lakadoriba ningol chakobada set innabagi quality lairaba ahongba mamalda pinabagi sem saduna lairaba Nagamapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da laiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhal gi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigani
nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangama mafam Yam nuevo pao mana mafam masida adom gi apama design kuding makki order slogzari amtang lengsin biro khwai Brahmapur Nagamapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leiba Showers Boutique
Red Sopa, an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdam gi oiba chanaba potlam sing online da Red Sopa gi khuthang da line phangpigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery gi khudong chaba su fangbigani. Delhi gi oinadi iramdam gi oiba mana masing sing su fangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudong chaba su pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back. 5 days to go for Chinese President Xi Jinping's likely visit to India for an informal summit with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There is no official confirmation from Beijing on it, a media report said. The two leaders are expected to meet in Mamallapuram near Chennai on October 11 to 12. Sources said the next 24 to 48 hours are key to the announcement of the visit, stressing that the two sides have a very robust diplomatic communication in the place. The announcement, sources said, would be done in coordination with each other once the confirmation comes through. New Delhi has made preparations in Mamallapuram to receive Xi, including sprucing up the temples around the town. As per the proposed schedule, she would arrive in Chennai on October 11 and leave the next day. Assam is among the 5 states to have implemented the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 nearly 5 weeks after it came into force. Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala and Uttarakhand are the other 4 states where the act has been implemented with full force. The transport departments of some of the states which have not implemented the new act have forwarded the proposal with revised fines to the respective governments. The new act was implemented in Assam on September 23. As per the revised act, driving without a license will be fined at Rs 5,000, violating air and noise pollution Rs 10,000, driver or passenger without seat belt Rs 1,000, and carrying children below 14 years without safety belt child restraint system Rs 1,000. 2 protesters from Hong Kong appear in court today for violating a new ban on wearing masks after violent clashes between police and protesters over the weekend. The city's pro-Beijing leader, Carrie Lam, has been face covering during demonstrations during the colonial area's emergency powers. Since this order, rallies and riots have been taking place in Hong Kong for the last 3 days. Lam said they have imposed the ban to stop pro-democracy rallies from 4 months. Despite this ban, chaos in the city has not ended. It has failed to stop the crowd of protesters from wearing masks. Now the sport news. India's Manju Rani 48 kg have advanced to the quarterfinals of the World Women's Boxing Championship after a comprehensive victory in the last 16 tests today. The 6th-seeded Indians succeeded 5-0 over Venezuela's Rosa Styonès to stand just 1 win away from securing a medal in her debut at the big event. However, next up for her is her last edition's bronze medalist and top seed Kim Hyang-mi of South Korea. The two will clash on October 10. Clean punches were few and far in Rani's clash against Styonès, but the Rani was the one fetching most of them. Both the boxers stuck to a defensive approach, but Rani was the more accurate of the two. On Tuesday, 6-time champion MC Maricom will begin her campaign by taking on Thailand's Jotamas Jitpong in a round of 16 in 51 kgs category. Before we wind up, the top stories had once again. Floods drought sign of global warming affecting Manipur, says Speaker Kim Chan. Stranded sand transporters appeal for early solution. And protest rally held against sale and abuse of illicit drugs. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.